What up, Crusader gang? We just did this GMC here. We did these tough wheels here, 20 by 12s with the Travel Star 33 12.5 20s. Got the nice red calipers. We have to do a little bit of trimming in there. He got these wheels a while ago from us. He just got brand new tires from. We touched up the caliper for him. Nice snowing day today. This guy's tires were bald too, so I wanted to get him in here quick. All right, then we got this other GMC Sierra. This one's two-wheel drive. We just did the 7-inch lift kit on there. By Rough Country. We got the whole coils with the springs, so the better suspension. Okay, just get it underneath here. Rough Country. Got the red calipers on this one. These were Ultra wheels. I think it was the Maverick. So with this lift kit, you could do a 35. So that's what these are right here, 35, 12.5 20s. These are 20 by 9s, so they don't poke out that much. The tire pokes out a little on here, as you can see. Some people like to poke and some people don't. So you can see the kind of difference. I think these were 20 by 10s, I'd have to check. This thing is only two-wheel drive. It's sitting up good now. So with the lift kit, it also levels out the truck, so you can see how the truck is level from the front to the back. It does look like you could fit a bigger tire in there, like 37s. Chevys and GMCs make their wheel well square, so that's why it's a little harder to fit different rims. On a Ram and a Ford, they're more rounded, so you can fit a bigger tire. We got the Americas tires, the ATRs. So this one's an all-terrain tire. So the difference with an all-terrain tire, see the grooves are more, you hear no noise in this one. Compared to this tire here, this is a mud tire. This is the Travel Star. So the further apart the thread is, that's where you hear the howling and the noise. And these wear a lot faster. The ATRs, those come with 50,000 mileage. This you should get, I mean, with the alignment, I mean, he had the Federals on for a while. I think he got 40,000 out of them. So what do you guys think in the comment section? Compare and contrast. This one's stock. See how it doesn't have the leveling kit? It's the back is raised higher than the front. We also do leveling kit where you can raise up the front. We're actually doing another truck Thursday with the leveling kit. Take another look around on this one. This one did have the blocks and the shocks. He did upgrade on all the accessories on there. How small the stock wheel is compared to the other one. What do you guys think in the comment section? Would you guys do a lift or stock? Or some people even like it lowered. So like my Infinity, it kind of looks lowered with the 28. So everybody has their different preferences and how they like it. What do you guys like in the comment section? Appreciate everybody to support on a snowy day here in November. CrusaderCustoms.com. Check out our website or stop by our store, 2409 West Jefferson, Joliet, 60435 815-726-2550 or 815 Customs. Appreciate the support. Stay tuned for more builds.